Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy shaders in Destiny 2. To do so, first need to open your Destiny 2 on your device. And once you do that, go to Open Director and then go to your store. So once you're in the store page, go to the archive, which is this icon right here. And then click on this arrow until you find the shader bundle. So here it is. The shader bundle is called Year 1 Shader Bundle. You can choose to preview it by tapping on the right mouse button, like so. So here are all the shaders in this package. As you can see, it only costs you 1000 glimmer. To buy it, all you need to do is long press on the left button of the mouse. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Says. Happy gaming!